$20 yam. Look at how small it. I've been praying to God that it's good. I've written the G1 exam. I passed. And he says this is summer. This is not summer. He says it's not summer anything. To make here, you take like 2 to 4 hours. To loosen it, another 2 to 6 hours. You can even sit in peace. Cause all of these niggas be on you. I've written the G1 exam. I passed. I'm so happy I passed. I was so scared. Like, I don't know, maybe because it's my first exam right here. Like, I didn't even get this scared. The only time I've been this scared was for medical exams. So, you know, those exams that you're sure that you're not sure what you're going to see when you get into the hall. Even my Nigerian driver's license exam, I was even this scared. I was like, well, let me just do what I know there. But this one, maybe because it's a different location, it's a different place, I was actually scared. I was like, God, please explain the test to you. So the first section, that sections, total questions is 40. I think I've gotten darker here in this country. But total questions are 40. So 20 for one section, another 20 for the second section. So for the first section, I'm not supposed to miss more than 4 questions in each section. So for the first section, I missed 5. The second section, I missed 1. The second section, I was good to go. And the first section, I wasn't good to go. So Juma was like, I should retake it. I was like, okay, no problem, I'm going to retake it then. I retook it. But you have to pay $16 to retake that first section. But the total amount I paid, the amount I paid initially was $159. And $159 covers your G1S test too, I think. So I paid that one. Then that's because when it's time for the second one, so that I wanted to use the restroom. So I went to use the restroom. I was like, God, I cannot perfect this exam again. Like, I need to pass and get this idea, continue my life. Luckily for me, when I got the second one, the first one I just like, okay, try and settle that and do everything. And I passed, and I'm so happy. Because I didn't want to start studying $15 times calculated by our currency. Like, it's not like I'm not going to spend it because first of all, I had to treat my skin. My skin was react. It's even better now. So I have to treat that, and products here are not cheap. It's expensive. You have to pay tax. I think you said you pay like 7% tax on everything that you buy. So that's it. And secondly, I went mine at Ottawa Street. So for the drive test center at Ottawa Street, I'm not a person that's coming to write to do their G2 exam because everyone I've seen today that are taking that G2 exam, all of them failed. They failed, all of them. Even my 2 cousins that wrote their own here, both of them failed. So if I want to write, I'm not coming here. I'm going to go to another place and write the exam because I cannot even fail that one. I like that. And I feel like I'm dark. And you know what? I've not been using my cream. Maybe because of my hair too. I've not been using my broad hair. It's not working at all. Like if I rub that cream, still showing white on my body. So I just stopped using the cream for now. But I'm going to mix it with the Farmers I bought. Maybe I'll be using both of them together. And so that it will work better for me. I can't wait to get my own apartment. Like I'm definitely calling to Dollarama to shop all my house essentials. They have lovely things here. Everything is still money, but I'm definitely coming here to shop for my house essential. Yes, so please Yoruba. For my house essentials, rather. Brush. I love this toilet brush. I like this packer. And this one too. I really like it. Look at accessory trays, silicone accessory trays. We are coming to write your road test. Should not come to this side because everyone has seen and faked the road test. Only one wise guy that I met today that passed his own road test. For me, how is the way out of this place? For me, if I want to write my road test, I'm not coming here at all. I'm not even going to risk it. Hey guys, I'm on my way to the house now. I'm going to connect Instagram more. That's why I got my SIM card. But the issue now is I called someone yesterday and they were like, my credit has finished. And I was like, what? I think I paid $30 for that for a month. So I was like, I sent to my answer, see what happened though. I tried to call in someone, they said my credit has finished. And I called another person the next day. And he went to, so Matthew was like, it's so cold. Hey, I go inside like this. I can't stand this cold though. I have to go back and wear my cardigan. Ah, I didn't even check the weather before I left the house. Oh, anyway, so I'm going to the place now to ask the guy to check what's going on. Because apparently, if I continue calling like that, it's might not be part of my monthly service. I might have to pay for that one differently. As what she explained, I may have to pay for that one differently. And it's not up to a month. It's maybe next week will be a month. So I want to check that out, then check if there's a salon there and get edge control. That's when I get a good one. So I'm going back inside to get my cardigan. Don't carry to stand, so let me just get my cardigan. Once and for all. I don't know what's going on today, but I think this is the coldest weather I've experienced since I came here. It's currently 19 degrees Celsius. I don't know. And they say this is summer. This is not summer. I say it's not summer anything. Probably came during this period. But I'm not feeling, sometimes I was going to be hot. To get ready to say, you need to use a sunscreen. It's going to be hot. It's not hot. Even my cousins are completely like, weather is so hot. Mo is like, this is not hot. I mean, their own sun is different from our house. Like, there's a way, your house is hot, but comes with wind. Our house is just like sun. There's no wind, just sun. Just is worse. But just is like there's sun and there's wind. There's sun, there's wind. So you won't feel it. I don't feel for long the way they feel it. I don't get off as the way they say, oh, it's hot. And then the other day I got sunburn on my hand. And this is my first time experiencing sunburn. I was like, there was steam on my hand. I'm like, oh, this is what people call sunburn, because I've never experienced like I can maybe like ask people that maybe their skin, part of their skin will be dark and stuff, but to like experience that feeling, that was the first time. When I was in it.
Ain't that's what you came to see. Let me be your muse. I'll inspire you in ways you won't believe. 50 shades and hues, tailor-made for you. Drew me in, get what you started.
Person was asking me about my pants. She'd always like asking me about this pant. When I was leaving the house, I met this white man who was asking me that where did I get my pants. He actually said I lost my pants. I was like, thank you. Then today at this store, when I went, shop was going on my line. And now another lady, white lady, was asking where did I get my pants from. Like Nigeria, she was like, oh, she wants to get one. Like, how are you going to get one? I told her that they might be selling online. So she could check online. Maybe she would see someone selling it online. So if you're selling this kind of pants in Canada, maybe you should just message me so I can just put a link to this blog. In case anybody wants to buy, just send them the link. The oil I bought in Nigeria for less than $5. Look at $18.49. Then they'll still add tax. I'm gonna buy my teacher for me. seen the video of Astronomer's CEO. So I feel like it should have not left together. They should have still been together. Because the way they left each other and they were hiding was what now made it know that they were not supposed to be together. You should just hold yourself together. I feel like that's what they should have done. Because I did cheating already. There's no point. You just wasted it by now living yourself. Do you get my point? I know it reminds me of when I went to IIT and I was making a vlog and there was this Spaghetti name that said, please don't video me. I was laughing. Because even my friend that was she was just like that. Because we knew why the mother that we should not be doing, should not make a video of it. We should not even share it in my video. But I was just laughing. Do your thing, guy. Don't worry. Like these games that they used to turn us like old. I don't know what they call it. They have to speak like a teddy. I like this one. These are so cute. These are so cute. Quick ones to play. I really like this teddy. Oh, I like this one too. My sister will really love this one. Listen, she like this one. This one is giving La Bobo. Support. This for nails. Looks like nail accessories. Let me read it. Okay. Stickers. I'm waiting for the bus now. Let's look at $20 yam. Look at how small it. I've been praying to God that it's good and it's not yellow yam. Okay, this is small thing. $20. $20 for this small thing.
Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, don't wanna bump me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, and I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you. Without you. My heart can't take no more. I keep on running, keep on running. See, my days are cold without you. Without you. And my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know what you wanna do.
I was feeling this yam. I was like, God, if this yam is not sweet, it's going to pay me because I just spent $20 to buy one yam like this. Hi guys, so I think I cut my hair. Let me show you. So this is the length of my hair, and this is the length of my hair. I don't know if you can see it. And let me try and make it this way. Okay, so this is my hair, and this is the length I cut the other day. And look at, I can even see that that's a blunt cut. Like knowing you cut something with razor or blade, I can see it here. And I'm pained, but I'm like, it's going to go back. There's nothing I can do. I already cut everything. There's nothing I can do at this point. It's going to go back. My mind was like, since my hair, I know that my hair is like this long or this long. So I was thinking, when you weave your hair to reduce the length, like the folding process, the weaving process to reduce the length of your hair. So that's what I was thinking. So I was thinking it's going to be shorter than that. I didn't think of the fact that probably this the way I have left my braids on for a month now, I didn't think that like the 1 inches growth that I have would increase it. I don't know if I'm making sense, but It is what it is. I miss my country so much because I can't remember the last time I loosened my hair. I loosened braids rather, because I'll have just gone to the salon and they'll have loosened it for me. I can't even try it because of the service charge. I've been using this braid since 9 a.m. It is currently 2:24 p.m. I'm not done. My cousin saw me, she was laughing. I said that losing my hair is like punishment. But ladies, we have a lot of issues. To make hair, you take like 2 to 4 hours. To loosen it, another 2 to 6 hours. It's just a lot. And my hair is very dried now. Funny thing is that even this hair I'm using, I can't even wash it today because the filter I ordered hasn't arrived. So I have to wait for the filter to arrive. So I'm just going to moisturize them. Maybe do leave it just 2 cornrows and continue with other things. But I'm even tired. It's not much again. It's like I can count the ones remaining. Or just need to be done with this because so it took me about 4 hours to finish losing my hair. I said 4 hours. Oh, a whole day to finish losing my hair. However, I went out at some point, so I just used a scarf. Is that grey hair? My God, are you saying this? Is that grey hair? Alright. I've got one grey hair. No, time to detangle this. So using this Shea Moisture leave-in conditioner because I don't have a detangler here. And this is the amount of hair. This is the amount of hair I've lost. My hair has broken a lot.